Hi friends! In this video I'm going to be cleaning up my living room. I bought some couch covers a couple months ago and they're already stretched out and ripping. Also, I bought a new carpet at Home Depot. I love it so much. It's really nice and plush and soft. But anyway, the couches didn't match, so I bought some new ones off Amazon that are much better quality. So sit back, relax, and watch me simply spruce up my living room. Maybe you could do me a small favor and like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out tremendously. So I've never actually owned a brand new set of couches. The love seat that I have was actually my mom's, and I've had it for a few years now, and the sofa was for free. I got that recently. But I decided that I'd wait to get new ones until my kids were older, because keeping them new when you have little ones around is very difficult. But I still try to make them look good by covering them and adding throw pillows. I actually made those pillows. I bought the covers on Amazon and stuffed them with polyfill stuffing that I bought at Walmart. So all 6 pillows only cost me about roughly $40 to make. And that's not so bad, and it makes having older couches feel like new. Okay, so now for the fun part. I'm gonna take a little bit of a break and have some coffee. Okay, boy do I feel silly. 28 minutes in, and I realized that I put the wrong cover on the sofa. So that means that the reason why it was oversized was because it was the wrong cover. So I currently took it off, and I'm gonna put the sofa cover on now, or the love seat cover on, and then surprise to me, I don't have to make a third pillow. I was confused because it shows on the sofa, it's the same picture, but on the sofa it shows 3 cushions. When I ordered it, it showed 2.
but in the picture when it arrived, it had 3. So I thought I was gonna have to make an extra cushion. I'm so glad I don't, but I'm hoping that it fits my love seat. So we'll see. Wish me luck, okay? All right, here we go. Let's do this. Okay. I'm hot because I have the fire going. I didn't think that it was going to be this much trouble. I'm actually happy because it looks way better than the other ones that I had on there. I'm going to tidy it up a little bit more, but I want to get this one finished and then clean up the rest of the living room.
Candy is getting to my head. It's getting to my head. Sugar, take me to that place that you love so much. Sweetie, give me that supersonic bubble rush. Candy canes and chocolate, bubble gum and cheesy chips, lovely feel, lollipops. I just don't want it to stop, stop, stop. Don't want it to stop, 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 stop. How many licks does it take till you get to the center of my heart? Give me a rush. Give me a rush, rush. Give me a rush. Give me a rush, rush. Give me a rush. Give me a rush, rush. Give me a rush. Give me a rush, 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 rush.
I'm not done yet. I am glad that they fit, but I just may have to do what I did to the other ones because, as you can see, the back part of my couch is kind of fluffy, and the cushions don't fit in there properly. And when we bought the last covers, when we tried to sit on it like this, it was uncomfortable. So I might have to put a slit underneath here. So I'm gonna have to create a slit right here so that it's not up like this, and so it gives me room to put these in there. So I'm just gonna do that. It kind of sucks because I like the material. It's a lot better quality than the last material that I had. So look at these ones. I'm gonna link both of these in the description box below for you guys, just so that you guys get a feel for the quality and what you shouldn't buy versus what you should buy. This material is more thinner. You can see it's kind of see-through. And like I showed you earlier, it ripped on the arm part, probably just because the quality is so thin. When I took the measurements on the couches, this couch actually fit the description. So I don't understand why it's still kind of snug, but oh well, it is. They're just couch cushions. I think that this one was like $50-something and that one was like $35 or something like that. These ones were like $26 a piece, something like that. I don't know. I'll link it in the description box below for you guys to see. And then these ones didn't come with those nifty little bands that go underneath the couch. It didn't come with those, so they kept like lifting off I'm surprised that they didn't put any on the cushions itself, which would have been really nice because even on these ones, they would slip off and I'd have to constantly fix it. So I think I actually have, I might not need them on that one because those ones never slipped off anyway, even on the other couch cushions. But on these ones, just to give it a little bit more support, I think that I have those one bands that are made for beds when you put like covers on them. I might go digging for those to see if maybe that might work on them, at least in the corner areas. If not, I'm just gonna deal with it. But so far, so good. I like what I see. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up and then clean up the living room and then we're good to go.
Well, I missed the kick in the big game, failed my driving test, misspelled my ex-girlfriend's name on the tattoo on my chest, 'cause I can't do nothing right, and I can't seem to get along. I've forgotten what it looks like on the other side of wrong. Yeah, I picked a fight with the boxer, scratched her name till tall, gave a heart attack to the doctor, and lost my mama's dog. On the left on a red light, and lost my right to drive. Just show me to the shallow end, and I'm sure to dive right in, 'cause I can't do nothing right, and I can't seem to get along. Oh, I've forgotten what it looks like on the other side of wrong. In this dirty downtown bar, drinking up my money, and I pissed in the bathroom stall. A man of my disposition should steer clear of alcohol, but if I didn't make bad decisions, I wouldn't make no decisions at all, 'cause I can't do nothing right, and I can't seem to get along. I've forgotten what it looks like on the other side of wrong. I've forgotten what it looks like on the other side of wrong. Well, I'm going down to Georgia, place my folks call home, and on to Carolina, place where I was born. Good morning, Music City, I've got a song for you, and God Almighty Lord paid my dues. Good God, I paid my dues from Mississippi on to Alabama, from Louisiana on to Texarkana, and I'm getting a little too good, Lord, singing these old blues. Good God Almighty Lord paid my dues. Well, that Motel 6 in Austin,
Guys, I literally sat there for like 20 minutes trying to get that piece off just to realize that it never came off. And I was quite bummed about it too because the inside was so filthy and dirty. And no matter what I did, no matter how much I tried to clean in between those holes, that dirt wouldn't come out. So I was really sad that I wasn't able to fully clean it. But at least I got it somewhat clean and so it won't get clogged. It's really important to clean your vacuums, by the way.
Ew. Come on. Ever since I was a young boy, music filled my soul, and I grew my hair long and I sang rock and roll. Then I sang in the churches, filling up the pews. But tonight I'm here in Memphis, banging out the blues. Banging. I'm playing pop music most of my youth. I was still naive, Lord, I couldn't see the truth. I went on down to Texas and barbecues. But tonight I'm here in Memphis, banging out the blues. Banging. Come on.
Okay, guys, well, that's it for today. Hopefully, this was help in some kind of way. I love my new couch covers. It really brightened up my living room. Well, anyways, thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. See you in the next one.